Hare Krishna, dear all devotees. Thank you so much for participating and encouraging us. So this is great. We are so fortunate to have your association here on this occasion. So this Jagannath, he is from East India, from eastern side of the India, from the state Orissa, and the place is called Puri Dham. So this Puri Kshetra is called Nilachal Dham. And this Nilachal Dham is going to be forever, even after the end of the Pralaya. Even in the Pralaya also is going to be there, this Kshetra. That's why the Markandeya Rishi, like Lord Shiva told him, you go and stay there in Jagannath Puri. So this is the place of auspiciousness. And like we,
slightly.
Jagannath is a big eyes, right? We all see him. He has a big eyes, and he is going to come onto the street, and he started giving the blessings all over the India, but not to the Albany. So this year, he is here to give us the blessings. And I'll tell you one truth, and you can search in a Google also. Whoever is going to be here, that means Lord Jagannath himself had sent the invitation to them, otherwise it's impossible to participate in his procession. So, and one more, and whoever visit the Jagannath Puri, and they are not ordinary souls. Those people who stayed during the Mahabharata battle, Kurukshetra battle happened 18 days. Whoever were there, like in that, during that period, they only can enter into the Jagannath Puri also. So it's like, if you read about Jagannath, all the pastimes are there. But like we will talk a little bit more about him. And about today's procession, what we do is, we have ropes here, and we came here because Jagannath wanted to see, not that we wanted to see Jagannath. So we already got the special invitation through the hearts, because of living inside as a Paramatma, he inspires those who he inspired. They only can come to attend this Ratha Yatra. So we are very fortunate to have all of you. So we'll sing a little song about the Jagannath, and then we can continue. This is the prayer. This is the Moola Mantra of Lord Jagannath. Neelachal Nivasaya Nityaya Paramatmane Balabhadra Subhadrabhyam Jagannathaya Namaha Jagadananda Kandaya Pranapartharaya Cha Neelachala Nivasaya Jagannathaya Te Namaha. So I sing and you all also repeat. Jagannath He, 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 Jagannath जगन्नाथ हे जगन्नाथ हे जगन्नाथ हे जगन्नाथ हे
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 Please pull the cart. Don't stay away. Pull the cart slowly. And this is we are here to take Jagannath onto the streets. So please start pulling the carts both sides.
So let's get ready to immerse ourselves in the divine
If you can
festivities.
remove the shoes,
Rabba.
that will be wonderful. Otherwise, up to your individual situations.
And celebrate the glory of Lord Jagannath. Are you all excited? Let's begin with an opening chant to see the perfect ritual completion. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare.
Hare Hare
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama
Rama Rama.
Rama Rama
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Please wait for the instructions. You don't pull too much force. Because he is easily moving. He is not a big Jagannath. But the Baladev, next year we may plan to get the 3 carts and you can use your force to pull the Baladev cart.
Significance of the event.
Don't pull, please.
Don't pull,
Don't pull yet. Can you just wait, everyone?
Please wait, please wait.
Everyone, we have asked the Jadu, please sweep in front of the Jagannath. Get everyone that opportunity. Please sweep
Please
it.
follow the
Please
instructions.
also start to sweep in the Jagannath Puri.
Significance of the event. Jagannath Ratha Yatra is a grand festival that celebrates the journey of Lord Jagannath.
Jaya Jaya the other side of the park, not in the park.
Other side, this side. That side.
Everyone get an opportunity.